Yeah.
The truth is easy to tell, isn't it?
Yeah. I got
It
you.
is.
And look, there's yours right here. So, yeah, no. There it is.
No, it's time for me. So let me chat for a while.
Chat up.
I'm gonna take him away from you.
What's up, girls?
All right.
You can take me away. That's what it was exactly last time. Yeah, I know. Because you don't want it to hang off the bottom, so we don't have to cut it. It's 2 inches from the top, 2 inches from the bottom. I know what I'm doing. Look, he was trying to sweat me on my live, bro.
No.
Look, on my live.
Listen, folks, listen to me.
All I'm doing is hustling.
Which I much respect.
All right. I got my flyers.
But forgive me. You know the old phrase, measure twice,
Cut once.
amen.